You were here for You're here for
Yes.
the thing.
Yeah, of course.
Yes.
Can you not tell by the way I'm dressed?
Yes. You're here for the thing.
Yes.
Yes. Would you like to do the thing you do at this kind of thing the best?
I think I will.
Okay, do the thing you do at this kind of thing the best. Whenever you're ready.
Are you ready? I was already ready.
That stuff that you're so proud of, that's me pretending I'm somebody else. Everything else about me makes you want to puke. Is this what you do when I'm not around? Like I'm some fucking pig. Some fucking piece of slime. And if you're not here to keep me in line, I sink in my own shit.